I just want to show some people here as I'm waiting for the train, another train to come. I'm just waiting for it to hit my scanner. I just want to show the Roval fans here the history of old railroads that used to work here. I know the sun glare is kind of reflecting off my camera. I'm just going to show you some old train tracks here. You guys can see. It's pretty cool actually. As you can see down here, there's more train tracks. We'll just take a walk quickly. There used to be train tracks right here too, in Belleville. Here, let me block that sun for you guys so you guys can see, like right here. Tell the switch. Right here. This is not being run anymore, but there's a lot of metal sitting here. I can go to anywhere, that's for sure. As you guys can see, making sure that guy doesn't take my bike. As you can see there, and there's the new line right there. As we can see, that's where that train just went by. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you some more stuff here. You can tell it's been sitting here for a while, like just the wires connected to the track still. And there's some more over there too. And you can tell right here, nothing's been used on here for a long time. It's all rusty. But it goes, if I can block the sun out for you guys, I can show you how far this thing went. So let me see if we can block this on with my screen. Here we go. That's how far she went, all the way down there to the bridge. Used to be another switch down there somewhere. That's for sure. But can't be on the train tracks right now because they're freaking got cops flying around here. It's a nice day, that's why. So that's pretty cool. Nice wheel switch. How they make it's pretty amazing. There's a wedge track right there. Goes all the way in. Into there. There's another track. And she goes into a main track. There's track 1 and track 2. The sun is gone down. That's good. Let me show you guys. There you guys go. There. Should be another train coming soon. That's for sure. Well, I'll show you something else too here. Oh, we got a train coming in. 32 miles per hour. The other train was just going 40 miles per hour. Because it's on a switch. But, as we can see here too, there's the other track right here. And this track, you guys can see another switch there that used to sit there. But these part right here used to be all train tracks. It's pretty amazing. Okay, well if you guys want to go to part 3 to see this next train coming up, I don't know if he's going to be on a switch or what his deal is, but I'll see what he's doing. Gotta get into a safe spot here so I don't get sucked in.